So I'm assuming that you already have Family Tree installed on your phone. This is the app from the App Store, or in the case of Android, in my case, the Play Store, Google Play. So we're opening up the app. We're already signed in. So we simply go to the main menu on the left there and click on Temple. It tells me we have no reserved family names. We will find some for you. So we click on Ordinances Ready. We select the type of ordinance we want. Do we want it for a male or a female? And we simply select the ordinance we want. In this case, we'll just choose baptism and confirmation. So it's now searching for opportunities for people who need ordinances, and it's found 4 from the temple. So we view people, and we have the following 4 people who are relatives of mine that need ordinances doing. So all the boxes, the circles there on the right are checked. So we're going to just, let's just uncheck 3 of them. We'll just do 1 and we'll hit continue. So this is reserving the ordinances. So from here we can either schedule a temple appointment, view the cards, or save to photos. What I would normally do here is save that to photos. So that's now saved to photos. If I go to my gallery, okay, there it is in my gallery. When I go to the temple, I simply bring this up on my phone. They then scan the QR code there, and they'll go and print that out, and I have an ordinance to do. No thanks. What else can I show you here? If we just go back here, so that's been saved, but we can also view the cards. So if we click View Cards, we have to choose a PDF reader to view the cards. There's the card that's been created, so we could print that out ourselves if we wanted to. And as you can see, there was also a link to make an appointment at the temple. So that's as simple as it is.